Hello boys and girls, we're here back on Geometry Adventures with me, Crikey. We're going to find some geometric terms in Hunter's Room. Sounds exotic. Let's go find some terms. Whoa, check out this room boys and girls. It sure is exotic. I can't believe about how many terms we're gonna... Looks like we found one. Crikey boys and girls, this is a clock. May not look like much, but in geometry, this is a circle. It's a two-dimensional shape with no points or edges. Crikey, man. I love this room. Let's see what else terms we can find. Crikey, boys and girls, we found the next one. Now you love school, don't you? Well, guess what? You want to graduate? You're gonna need one of these. This is a graduation gown. I had one myself back in... Jesus, I can't remember. Crikey. Anyway, this is a square. It's a two-dimensional shape with all four sides congruent and equal. Crikey, I love this room. Let's see what else we can find. Crikey, boys and girls, we found another one. Now this is a railing, but we know it as a segment. This is a measurable line that contains any two endpoints. This one, this one. This house is magnificent, full of geometric terms. Let's see what else we can find.
Nothing more than a British guy drinking his tea. Oh, hello there, chaps. How are you today? Well, this is the most polite edition of geometric terms, but that crikey guy is still annoying me, so I'm here just enjoying a cup of tea. I suspect that you want a definition from the geometric terms, then. Oh, well, how about a line? A line is an undefined term in geometry that has more than two sides that spans on for eternity. You want an example? Here you go. This right here is a line. It spreads on from here to here. Of course this ends, but you want a different example? Look at these.
Crikey, boys and girls, we found another one. Look at this. This quarter, but when I do this, it becomes rotation. Rotation is the movement of an object from one direction to the other. Tails, I win. Let's go find some more.
Oh, you're back, aren't you? Well, if you want another term, which I'm guessing you all will, how about an arc? An arc is a part of a circle that is defined by only 2 points. Sadly, I do not live where arcs are, so why don't you just look at these pictures from the internet, why don't you?
Found another one. Look down here. This is a right angle. In geometry, a right angle is an angle that measures 90 degrees. When you do geometry on paper, like in Miss Shihi's class, you usually see a right angle with this little box marking it as a right angle. Okay, let's find another one.
Oh, hello again. I guess since you came back from Crikey again, you want to hear another term in geometry, am I right? Good. Well, how about a ray? A ray is a line that has 2 points on the line. I don't have a real-life picture of this, for example, so once again, let's turn to Google.
Crikey, that was a close one, boys and girls. But good enough for me because this is baseball. But in geometry, it's a sphere. It's a three-dimensional object with no sides or edges. Crikey, I can't wait to find another one. Let's go get some more.
It's you again? Very well. I just want another geometric term. Okay, how about a kite? A kite is a two-dimensional quadratic shape that has 2 congruent adjacent pairs of sides, as seen here.
Crikey, boys and girls, we found another one. This is a sausage triangle. This is a triangle that has at least 2 sides congruent. And look at these 2 lengths. They are the same. This makes this an isosceles triangle. Crikey, this gets plays more and more interesting by the minute. Let's go find some more terms.
Waiter, another glass of tea, please. Thank you. Oh. Hello again. Just want another term after seeing Crikey again, have you? Fine. How about a midpoint? A midpoint is a point halfway between a segment. Simple, eh? Well, if you want to know what it is, look at these pictures from Google. Let a man enjoy his tea alone. Fine. You want more terms? I'll give you more terms. How about an obtuse triangle? An obtuse triangle is a triangle which angles exceed 90 degrees. Obvious examples will be like these. Another cup of tea, please. Thank you. Oh, you're back again. Another term? I see how it is. How about a scaling triangle? This is a triangle who has no two sides congruent. Another real-life example would be like these.
Crikey, boys and girls, we found another term. I was eating myself a delicious tortilla when I found a semicircle. This shape, it's not a complete circle, but it measures to 180 degrees. I love tortillas.
Again. Fine. What's another term? How about a cone? Believe it or not, a cone is an actual geometry term. Now, a cone is a three-dimensional shape with a circular base that connects the vertex with the base. Now, I would show you an ice cream cone, but bloody crikey ate the last Ben & Jerry's pint that we had. Really sad, really. But here's some more Googled examples in real life. Again, I cannot finish my cup of tea. Fine. How about a point? A point is another undefined term in geometry in which it locates a point or section on a line. So examples would be these. Again, really? I just want to enjoy my dang bloody tea. Fine. A pyramid. A pyramid is a polyhedron that connects a polygon base with a point. Some examples would be these.
Crikey, boys and girls, I've done another one. Follow me. You like to brush your teeth, don't you? Well, you're gonna need these, boys and girls. You need toothpaste, but in geometry, this toothpaste box is actually a polygon. A polygon is a shape that is enclosed by more than 3 points. I love brushing my teeth, so after my tortillas, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I'm gonna go find one more term, and we are going to have ourselves a fun ending for geometry adventures. You like to put on my computer, don't you? Guess what? My computer is not only a source of fun entertainment for the young American people, but it's also a geometric shape. This is a rhombus. This is a shape that is all 4 sides congruent. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom goes the dynamite. This is Crikey signing off. Geometry terms. Thank you for watching. And one more thing.